Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you why you need to mix alcohol with shampoo and what you can use the resulting mixture for. Take a spray bottle and pour 200 ml of water into it. The water should be at room temperature. Next you need to add 1 tablespoon of shampoo to the water. You can take absolutely any shampoo, you can buy the cheapest one and use it only for cleaning, or you can take the one that didn't suit you for washing your hair. I also add alcohol here. I use 96%. If you don't have alcohol, vodka will do too. You just need to pour twice as much. I pour about 4 tablespoons. Well, the last ingredient is 1/3 of a teaspoon of dish soap. I screw the spray onto the bottle and mix everything well. The result is a universal cleaning product that perfectly cleans, disinfects and has a pleasant aroma. With its help, you can easily clean the furniture in your home from dirt and fingerprints. If the cabinet or chest of drawers has a handle, then usually a coating appears around the handle and on the handle itself over time. If you have a sliding wardrobe, then fingerprints most often appear in the place where you hold the door to open it. The prepared product will clean everything perfectly. Spray the furniture and wipe it with a clean cloth. Then turn the cloth over and wipe the furniture dry with the dry side. The product dries very quickly, leaving no streaks. All cabinets look just perfect after it. In addition to the wardrobe and chest of drawers, this product can be used to clean interior doors, tables, laminate flooring if it is light and has some dirt on it. It can be used to clean the grout between tiles and even to clean kitchen cabinets. Try mixing alcohol with shampoo and share your options in the comments where else you can use this product. If you liked this tip, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.